Alright guys, welcome to this video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to log disposed, that is POS dispense error for your customer without them going to bank. What might warrant you to log dispute for your customer is probably when the customer withdraw from your outlet, from your POS, and they debit the person for a declined transaction. The transaction failed, so they debited the customer. So I'm going to show you how to log the disputes at the customer's bank without them going to bank. So this technique I'm going to show you is something a lot of people don't know, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So if you are new here, click on the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification so that whenever I have new new amazing content like this, you'll be the first to know. Also give this video a thumbs up so that others who are looking for solutions like this we get to know. All right, what we'll be using now, in the past there are a lot of channels. What we'll basically be doing is to be contacting the customer's bank on the customer's behalf. So the reason I came up with this idea was when during the COVID-19 lockdown, a lot of customers were transacting and they were debiting them. Then banks were inaccessible, so we had to look for ways to contact the customer's bank. And a lot of customers don't know how to even contact their bank or something like that. And as agents, you have the responsibility of helping them to recover their funds so that the funds will be reversed. So I was aware that a lot of banks have channels like Twitter, Facebook, email, and some have a link on their website where you can log disputes. So I'm going to be showing you the different ways you can contact banks, and for each of the banks I'm going to be showing which channel is best. Before, it used to be Twitter, because if you message them on Twitter they will quickly respond, but since Twitter has been banned at the time of the release of this video, we won't be able to use Twitter. So what we'll be using now is email. You use your email. So for me, I use Gmail. So I have my Gmail app. So whenever they debit your customer, just log into your Gmail. So just log into your Gmail. What you'll basically be doing is to be sending a mail to the customer's bank on the customer's behalf, because they won't respond to you if you are logging the complaint as a third party. So you have to message them on behalf of the customer. So this is so what you do what you do is to click on the button, like the send button, create new something button. So let's say the customer is using First Bank. So First Bank is very active with their email. So within 3-4 hours they will respond to you. So let's say you want to message First Bank. So let's say, so their email is firstcontact@firstbanknigeria.com. So that's what you do. So the title, you can just put dispense error complaint, or you can put debit issue, or whatever you think is dispense error complaint. Okay, so what you'll be doing is you'll be composing a message for them, so that and this message will contain the details of the customer. Let's say the customer was debited 3,001. You say, okay, let's say this is morning. Good morning. I want to log a dispense error complaint of, let's say, 5,001 on my account. Okay, so you put the account number. Let me put my own account number, 14256. So you put the name. You can use this format anytime. So Abdullah. Okay, I want to log a dispense error complaint of 5,001 on my account. Okay, you say I withdrew okay, 5,001 on my account. That was wrongly debited. After using a POS, using a POS. So you put the date. So on, let's say the date is 002/007/2021. So please kindly help log the transaction for reversal. So most of the time reverser, okay, so most of the time they will need the customer's details, like the customer's PAN, that is PAN, the customer's PAN. So if you check the customer's ATM card, you usually see the first 6 digits and the last 4 digits of the customer's card. So let's say first, I'm going to show you how to get it. First 6 digits. So you put the first 6 digits. Let's say your own card is 506106. So first 6 digits, then last 4 digits. So you put that. So let's say 2341. So for you to get this first 6 digits, let me see. I don't want to use any real life data here. So you can get this as far as the customer uses your POS. You can get it from your transaction history. Let's log into MoneyPoint. Log into my account on MoneyPoint. So you log into your own POS dashboard. You'll be able to see the card details. Let me log out of this account. So the first 6 digits and the last 4 digits is usually on the receipts. Okay, while this is loading, if you are here to subscribe to this channel, click on the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bar so that whenever I post amazing content like this on the platform, you will be the first to know about them. Alright, let's wait for it to load, and don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up so that others who are looking for content like this will also get to see the content. Okay, so let's click that. Let me change the account to an active one. Okay, let's wait for it to load. So it's going to show us so probably if you are using Kudi or any other platform, or OPay or any other one, when you go to transaction, you'll be able to see the first 6 digits and the last 4. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so after logging in, what you do is just click on this, then you go to transactions. See transactions. Let's see. Make sure I've clicked that. So just click on transaction. So what I want to show you is the first 6 digits and the last 4 digits of the card. So you'll be able to see it. So this is not some customers might not want to give you this, but when you log into your dashboard, you'll be able to see it. And if you are finding it, okay, if the customer did not want to give you, or okay, let's say if you can't find it on your dashboard, okay, this is it. This is 5. You can see 506105. This one is 4902. So that's what they call PAN, masked PAN. So you can see that they put asterisk here, so it doesn't put your customers' details at risk because they are not revealing all their card details. So this is very, very important for you to be able to log the dispense error for the customer. So when you get this, this is the first 6 digits and this is the last 4 digits. So those are the things you need. So to provide, so that the banks will be able to help you log it. So let's go back to the mail we are composing. Okay, this is it. So we've already put this one. This is not real, so let's just put it. So you can also get the first 6 digits and the last 4 digits from the customer's ATM card. So if you look at the front of the ATM card, there's usually a 16 digits number. So the first 6 the first 6 that start that 16 digits is usually maybe 50, or some card might be 40 or something like that, so, or 5121 or something like that. So the first 6, you count 1 2 3 4 5 6, the first 6 number, that's the first 6 digits. Then you go to the back, you count the last 4, the 4 digits, the last 4 digits, so you put it there. So that's what you do. So you just click on send here. You can see here, just send it. We sent it to First Bank already. Your mail has been sent. So so what we will do in case now, there are a lot of for all the banks, I'll be leaving the link to their email and how you can contact them in the description below. But for some banks like GT Bank specifically, they don't really have a functional email where you can send mail to them. So but what I normally do is that there's a place you can log dispense error on GT Bank website. So to do that, you just go to, okay, let me see if I still have the link here. So just let me type, if I type GT, I'll be able to see it. GT, okay, oops. Okay, but let's type GT Bank dispense error. Okay. So I used to have the link saved on my phone, but let's find it. Dispense error. So I think this is here. This. So you don't need to send them mail. You just log it directly for the customer. But the details you'll be needing from the customer will be different from what we are using before. So let's see, the link is usually somewhere. Okay, click here to report a dispense error. So you scroll down, you see this. I will leave the link to this to the dispense error page so that you can always come here and log it whenever you have issues with GT Bank customers. Okay, let's wait for it to load. So let's wait for it. So other banks, you can send mail to them and they will resolve it within the shortest possible time. So this way is even usually faster than your customers going to bank, because when they go to the branch, the local branch will also send it to the head office. But when you send a mail, you are already sending it to the head office, which makes the resolution very, very fast for your customers. Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, it seems this has refused to load. I don't know, probably the network is bad. Okay, but I will leave the link to that in the description below. So but when it load the page, what it will show you, what it will ask you to input is the customer's account number, then the last 6 digits of the ATM. Instead of first 6 digits and last 4, it will only ask you for the last 6 digits. That is, you check the customer's ATM, the last 6 number there, last. So that those are the ones you put there, and it will ask you to select the date. So when you select the date and click on it, it will show all the withdrawal the customer did for that particular day, and you will be able to just select one and pick the and log that particular one. So they will work on it directly without the customer going to bank. So that's basically how to log dispense error for your customer. If you have any question, leave it in the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.